Think diabetes is all about cutting things out? Not this time. There's one tea that can actually help lower blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and protect against complications. In this video, discover the number one tea every diabetic should drink daily, and how this simple habit could transform your health. Why tea matters for blood sugar. Tea isn't just a comforting drink. It can be a powerful tool for managing blood sugar. Many types of tea are rich in antioxidants and polyphenol, which have been shown to support healthy glucose levels and improve insulin sensitivity. These natural compounds help reduce inflammation, protect your cells, and slow down the absorption of sugars in the bloodstream. Unlike sugary beverages, tea is naturally calorie-free and carb-free, making it a perfect daily drink for diabetics. Some teas, like green tea, black tea, and herbal varieties, have been linked to better fasting glucose numbers and reduced A1C levels in studies. Green tea, for example, contains catechins like EGCG, which are known to enhance insulin function and reduce oxidative stress. Cinnamon tea, on the other hand, may mimic insulin in the body and help cells absorb glucose more effectively. Drinking tea regularly can also help with hydration, which is important for flushing excess glucose through the kidneys. Plus, having a warm cup of tea can calm stress levels, something many people don't realize can directly impact blood sugar. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which in turn elevates glucose levels. A relaxing tea ritual before bed or after meals can help lower stress and improve blood sugar control over time. Whether you sip it hot or cold, unsweetened tea is one of the simplest and healthiest additions you can make to your daily routine. It's easy, affordable, and packed with compounds that support your body in the fight against diabetes. The number one tea. When it comes to managing diabetes naturally, green tea stands out as the number one tea every diabetic should consider drinking daily. Backed by numerous studies, green tea has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. Its secret weapon? A powerful antioxidant called EGCG epigallocatechin gallate. This compound helps your body process glucose more efficiently and reduces spikes in blood sugar after meals. In fact, some research suggests that regular green tea drinkers may have a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes altogether. But green tea's benefits don't stop there. It's also great for heart health, which is crucial for people with diabetes. It helps lower LDL, bad cholesterol, reduces blood pressure, and supports healthier arteries. On top of that, green tea can give your metabolism a gentle boost, aiding in weight management, something that plays a big role in controlling blood sugar levels. Green tea is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help prevent long-term complications like nerve damage, kidney disease, and eye issues, all common concerns for diabetics. The best part? It's easy to prepare, tastes great hot or iced, and can become a simple, calming ritual in your day. Just be sure to drink it unsweetened and watch your caffeine intake if you're sensitive. Whether you enjoy a cup in the morning or after meals, green tea is a small change with powerful benefits for your blood sugar and overall health. Best time to drink it. Wondering when to sip your green tea for the biggest blood sugar benefits? Timing can make a difference. Morning is one of the best times to enjoy green tea. It gives you a gentle energy boost without the blood sugar crash that comes from sugary drinks. Starting your day with green tea can also help improve insulin sensitivity throughout the day, especially if you drink it with or after breakfast. Drinking green tea with meals can be helpful too. It may reduce the spike in blood sugar that happens after eating. The antioxidants in green tea help slow down the digestion of carbs, which can lead to a more gradual rise in glucose. If you prefer to drink it between meals, that works too. Sipping it as a mid-morning or afternoon drink can help curb cravings, support your metabolism, and keep your body hydrated without any added sugars or carbs. Some people also enjoy green tea in the evening, but be cautious. Since it contains caffeine, it might interfere with your sleep if you're sensitive. If you still want the benefits without the buzz, consider decaffeinated green tea later in the day. Incorporating green tea into your daily blood sugar routine is easy. 1 to 2 cups a day is enough to make a difference. Just remember to keep it unsweetened and don't rely on it alone. Combine it with a healthy diet, regular activity, and your prescribed diabetes plan for the best results. How to prepare it for maximum benefits. Getting the most out of your tea isn't just about drinking it. It's about preparing it the right way. Brew time and temperature matter. For green tea, aim for water that's hot but not boiling. around 160 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. Let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Too hot or too long, and you risk breaking down delicate antioxidants like catechins that are key for blood sugar control. Skip the sugar and creamers. Sweetening your tea cancels out the blood sugar benefits. Instead, try adding a squeeze of lemon or a cinnamon stick if you want a flavor boost without the spike. Some even enjoy it with a few fresh mint leaves. Hot versus cold, what's better? Both are great, as long as they're unsweetened. Hot tea can be soothing and supportive of digestion, especially after meals. Cold-brewed green tea has a smoother taste and may actually preserve more antioxidants if prepared properly in cool water over several hours in the fridge. If you prefer cold tea, steep it overnight and strain it in the morning. No need to heat it, just pour over ice and sip. Whether you like it warm or iced, the key is consistency. Make it part of your daily routine, and you'll be giving your body a powerful, natural tool to help manage blood sugar, without extra calories or carbs. You should be cautious. While tea can offer powerful benefits for blood sugar control, it's not for everyone, especially if you have certain medical conditions or take specific medications. Watch for medication interactions. Some teas, like green tea or herbal blends, may interfere with blood pressure meds, blood thinners, or diabetes medications. For example, compounds in green tea can slightly reduce the effectiveness of certain beta blockers or interact with blood thinners like warfarin. Consult your doctor if you're on medications for diabetes, high blood pressure, or heart conditions. Even natural remedies can impact your treatment plan, so it's always smart to double-check. Caffeine sensitivity is another concern. Green tea does contain caffeine, which may cause jitters, increased heart rate, or trouble sleeping, especially if consumed in the evening. If you're sensitive, opt for decaffeinated versions or stick to herbal teas like cinnamon or hibiscus, which are naturally caffeine-free. Herbal reactions can also happen. Just because it's natural doesn't mean it's safe for everyone. Some people may experience allergic reactions or digestive issues from certain herbal blends. Always start with a small amount if you're trying a new tea for the first time. Tea can be a great addition to your diabetes care, but it should complement, not complicate, your overall health routine. Bonus tea boosting tips. Want to get even more out of your daily tea? Pair it with these simple habits to maximize the benefits and create a soothing, sugar-friendly routine. 1. Add blood sugar-friendly boosters. Sprinkle in a bit of ground cinnamon. Not only does it enhance flavor, but it may also help lower blood sugar. A slice of lemon adds vitamin C and supports digestion, while fresh ginger can fight inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. These natural add-ins turn your cup of tea into a metabolic powerhouse. 2. Make it part of a healthy routine. Sip your tea alongside a balanced snack with protein and fiber to help steady your glucose levels. Or enjoy it after a short walk. Movement improves insulin sensitivity, and combining the two habits gives you double the benefits. 3. Use tea to wind down. Turn your tea time into a calming nighttime ritual. Choose a caffeine-free blend in the evening, like hibiscus or chamomile, and pair it with a few minutes of deep breathing or journaling. A calmer mind and better sleep mean more stable blood sugar overnight. 4. Drinking tea occasionally is good, but making it a daily ritual is where the real power lies. Brew a cup at the same time each day and treat it like a small, intentional act of self-care for your diabetes journey. Small changes like these can have a big impact. With the right tea and the right habits, you're supporting your blood sugar while also boosting your overall wellness. Conclusion: this one tea could be the simplest and most relaxing way to support your blood sugar naturally. Easy to make, packed with benefits, and enjoyable any time of day. Have you made it part of your routine yet? Drop a comment below and share your experience. And if you found this helpful, give the video a like, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more natural, science-backed tips to manage diabetes with confidence.